Hey guys, and welcome back to another value packed video. Now in today's video I'm going to be breaking down our $1.3 million OnlyFans agency roadmap, which will literally take you through 6 steps which you need to execute to build an OnlyFans agency from $0 per month all the way up to 50k plus per month. Now this is by far the most comprehensive roadmap on the market, so make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button. And this is a quick little snippet video of the roadmap itself. If you want to check out the whole thing, you can find it in the description below, absolutely free. Just put in your email address, your name, your phone number, sign up, and you'll be able to get access to the whole roadmap. So I'll see you guys in the video. Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Now I'm super happy that you're here, and I'm going to make sure to honor your time and deliver the most valuable video I think I've ever made so far, because this video can generally change some of your lives, because it's literally a roadmap of A to Z, what exact step you need to be implementing to actually build an OnlyFans agency that produces 50k plus per month. And I know that because I've been there and I've done this already, so I was able to go back and map out the exact steps that it took to get to where I needed to be heading. And this video is going to be super valuable to you. Okay, so let's get into it. So the first step is agency foundations. All right, so when you're starting off your agency, you need to implement a few things to make sure that everything else runs smoothly. Now, the first thing you need to implement is crafting a $1 million offer. Now, when I say $1 million offer, I just generally mean a very good offer that the market resonates with. Okay, so I've just left some notes up here. So you need to target OnlyFans models' biggest pain points when actually producing your offer. It's not good enough to be saying, look, I'm going to help you make more money with OnlyFans. That's not a good offer. That's the most bland, boring offer. And I see so many people make this mistake where you need to just essentially target their pain points. They may have a specific pain point around actually what content to make. There may be a specific pain point around the exact promotional strategies when it comes to Instagram. They have all these different pain points that keep them up at night. And it's your job to go into the market, look at the market's problems, and identify the biggest pain points. Okay, then you need to provide a solution to each problem they face. If you really want a stellar offer, then you basically need to be providing a service for every single problem that they face. When they see that offer, which covers all of their problems and lists out all their problems better than they know themselves, then they're going to be resonating with you super well. And then you also want to feature one big promise. You need to make your one big promise nice and clear. That could be, we're going to help you increase your earnings by 10x or something like that. It just needs to be a big promise with also mitigating the downside of maybe they're feeling overworked or something like that. And in general, the more niched, the easier it is to get clients. So for example, when I say niched, if you're talking about we help e-girls actually make more money with OnlyFans, that's going to resonate with e-girls more, which means it's going to be very easy to sign on e-girl clients. Okay, cool. So next you need to set up your website foundations. So you need to build a simple website. You can do this with ClickFunnels, lead pages, Wix, just any general website builder. Make sure you feature the big promise in the header. You need to show the mechanisms that you use to actually counteract the problems that you listed. And then you need to add a call to action for booking a meeting. You can embed Calendly on the actual page itself, and you need to set up an email. Okay, so that's very nice and easy of just building a basic website for your brands. This should take you no longer 5 days max. 2 days to build your offer, some deep thought on that. And then when it comes to the website foundations, it really shouldn't be anything too spectacular. I see some people take weeks on building a website when it literally should just be a 3-day job to actually build a website, especially with the website builders we've got in today's world. Okay, cool. Outreach mechanisms. So that's step 1, agency foundations. Very nice and simple. Step 2, outreach mechanisms. You need to actually start getting these leads generated from these OnlyFans models. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is build socials for outreach. So this should be day 5 to day 7. Take you 2 days to do this. Include the $1 million offer that you generated back here. Make sure you got your website and professional banner and logos all featured on your social media. So you can have an Instagram, Reddit, Twitter, Facebook. Just make sure they all look very presentable, look professional, and as if you're approaching the market from a place of authority. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Again, if you want to see the whole agency roadmap, make sure you check it out in the description below, as well as the actual private Facebook group where you have access to live exclusive trainings by myself. And I'll see you guys in the next video.